Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how you can create table of contents in your Word document. If your document is about 10 pages, then it's pretty good to add table of contents. But if it is longer or 80 pages, then must add table of contents. So here is the document. You can see here there is no table of contents. For the table of contents, you have to add headings must in the document. And here you can see there are no headings. So let's start with the headings. Now I will add heading to the introduction, heading 1 from the styles bar. I will also add here section 1 like this. Now I will put the second heading to basis of centrifugation. Click on it and put the heading 2. I will also write here section 2. By putting section numbers, it will be easy to write or read from table of contents. Now if we want to add subheading, then we will put heading number 2. For example, this one. It is 2.1. It means that it is the subheading of section number 2. Now move on to the section 3 or heading 1. Like this, I will put the headings in the whole document. Section 3, Section 4, Section 5 and so on. These headings will be helpful in the table of contents. So we are done with the headings. Now go to the Insert tab and click on the table of contents. And here you will see automatic table 1, table 2, automatic table, and you can also customize table of contents of your choice. But I will click on automatic table 1 and here we go. But this is on the last page, so we will undo it by pressing Ctrl Z and go to the first page because we have to put the table of contents in the front. Now click on the Insert tab and insert there a blank page. Now again go to the references and from there click on the table of contents and automatic table 1 and here we go. We can also update the table of contents if we want to add paragraph or some text in the document after creation of the table of contents. For example, I have to add 1 or 2 paragraphs in the heading of basis of centrifuge, which is on 2 or 3 page. Let's add some paragraph here. like this one. Now we will go to the table of contents, click on it, and here you will see the option of update table of contents. Click on update entire table, and yes, you can see there the page numbers are changed from 4 to 5. I hope you will like this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.